Hi, folks, and welcome to the Weather Center here on a Saturday. We've got a little bit of increasing clouds today. You notice the southerly breeze picked up a little bit after a chilly morning, so changes are coming in our forecast here. Alexandria Tower Cam, courtesy of Sinlaw Broadcasting on Texas Street, looking good there. Likewise in Staley, maybe a little bit more low cloudiness in that direction, signifying there may be a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere down there. Looking at Toledo Bend on the opposite spectrum of Sinlaw, we've got a mostly clear sky. A lot of that stuff is some high level clouds going on. Something to get excited about after what may turn out to be a record warmest November on record. Three cold fronts here to close the month out. So we'll get into the details there. But a couple of the common questions that I've got. Will it rain on Thanksgiving, and can I shop and stay dry on Friday? So I'll answer both of those questions in just a few minutes. Hold on. All right, radar. Nothing showing up here locally. Despite the changes, this is early in the change process, and so we don't see any rain in the local areas. In fact, there's nothing showing up on regional radar either. But we see all this energy across the west traveling eastbound, heading toward us. And so that will change things up for us as we head into the new week. Futurecast, let's get you started, kind of step you through the early part of the week. Monday, 7 o'clock, some folks, or a lot of folks, may not have to go to school, but I think a lot of folks will be going to work. And so that forecast is looking pretty good. Already can't rule out a shower. This model indicating a little something maybe going on across St. Landry Parish, so we'll have to see exactly about that. But throughout the day, this is your 5 o'clock time frame. Going home, evening commute, still a few stray showers in the area, and then that kind of shifts southeastward during the evening hours with a cold front. And so cold front is the main trigger for that. And then once we get into Tuesday morning, looks like we'll be post-frontal, and things will be looking good during that time frame. All right, let's check things out. Beyond this, this is a rainfall pattern that I expect on Monday. I expect basically the farther north and west you go, the lower the rain probabilities or chance of getting wet. You head south and east, they go up. And in fact, I have 60% for Jonesville, Vidalia, Fairday, and down into St. Landry Parish, 50-50 in Avoyelles Parish. You kind of get the idea there, and it has something to do with the moisture profile being better, of course, down in that area. The timing is AM, PM. It's one of those patterns where if you just saw that model, it could rain any time of the day. So got to keep that covered, but amounts will be small. I'm not expecting some of the heavy rains that we've had earlier this month. Less than an inch in the rain bucket for this one, I think. Futurecast, here's the cold air to the north of us. You see that rotation, a little dip in the cold air for Thanksgiving brings our second front through the area on that day. And once again, we see another area of cold air working in out of the northwest. Most of that is staying to the north of us. And of course, that is by the weekend. And there will be a third front in the forecast there as some of that chilly air kind of bleeds off from that and comes through central Louisiana with a frontal passage for next weekend. So once we get into next week, early next week, not this week, but the following week, we see still the body of cold air to the northeast of us. That's where the worst of it would be, the coldest air. But we'll see a downturn behind each front will bring a temperature change. So here it is on the 7-day forecast. Front number one comes in Monday, averaging about a 30% chance of rain. That's what I have here for the Alexandria Pineville area. So I'll use that as an average, but the graphic I had before had it ranging from 20 to 60%. Again, north and west, south to east gradient or difference in that. A warm day, a little bit breezy on Monday. We'll hit 81 for an average high. Cooler Tuesday. You see that front does make a difference. I'll take rain out for one day before starting back with the increasing clouds Wednesday, and a 20% chance of showers on that particular day. Kind of ahead of the brewing front there for Thanksgiving Day, which comes through, and temperatures may even be dropping during the day. Those numbers could be reversed with a high temperature early in the day in the upper 60s, a low temperature in the evening in the 50s. So one of those kind of days on Thanksgiving. I did lower the rain chances. Some of the models, the trend today, overall guidance has said that that system is going to be quicker than earlier expected. So I did lower the chance from a 60 to a 50 there on Thanksgiving Day, but there is a chance of rain out there on Thanksgiving. For Friday, no issues there. We've had this one pretty well cleared up for days now. It'll be mostly sunny and chilly, dry for your shopping on Friday. Going into the weekend, a third front comes into the forecast there. And you can see there's a downturn in temperatures, especially Saturday morning. Sunday morning remains chilly as well. Looks like we'll see some clouds mixing with the sunshine Saturday and into Sunday. Throw in about 20% on Sunday just in case. Some indications are we could see a surface low form off the Louisiana coast to the south of us. Not a tropical system, but along that front that comes in the Saturday, Sunday time frame. And that will bring back rain chances Sunday, maybe even into Monday of next week. So we'll see about that. But that's your 7-day forecast there for your Thanksgiving shopping Friday, the day before Thanksgiving rush there, going to the stores and doing errands. So 2 out of 3 is not bad there. And Thanksgiving Day is not looking as wet as I earlier thought it would. Like I said, I did lower the rain chance some. All right, take care. And Nick Mikios, I think, may stream with you tomorrow afternoon. I'll be in the forecast center. Take care and hope you have a magnificent Monday.